Finding the best carpet cleaner can make all the difference in maintaining a fresh and spotless home. With so many options available, it's essential to choose one that not only tackles stains but also provides efficient cleaning and convenience. In this video, we'll dive into some top contenders that stand out for their performance, features, and ease of use, helping you make the right choice for your home. HOOVER Carpet Cleaner. The HOOVER Smartwash Cordless Carpet Cleaner is an impressive option for anyone looking for a hassle-free, effective carpet cleaning solution. With its cordless design, you can clean any area of your home without being tethered to an outlet, offering convenience and flexibility. The smartwash technology automatically adjusts to your cleaning needs, making it as easy as pushing the cleaner forward to wash and pulling it back to dry. For those stubborn stains, the Spot Boost mode comes in handy, providing extra power for tough messes. The inclusion of heat force technology speeds up drying, ensuring you don't have to wait long to enjoy your clean carpets. The True Max technology allows for more extended cleaning without frequent stops to empty the tank. Its lightweight build and simple operation make it user-friendly for all experience levels. When paired with Hoover's carpet cleaning solutions, it provides a deep, refreshing clean that revives your floors. While it lacks some of the more advanced features of higher-end models such as voice control, the HOOVER One PWR smartwash delivers exceptional value with its impressive performance, ease of use, and efficient design. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss carpet cleaner, this model is a great choice. BISSELL Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL multi-purpose portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is a top-tier solution for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-use cleaner that delivers powerful results. This portable cleaner is perfect for cleaning carpets, upholstery, and even your car interior. The machine's suction power ensures dirt, grime, and moisture are thoroughly removed, while its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around tight spots. The 3-inch tough stain tool tackles deep-set stains with ease, making it an ideal choice for pet owners and families. What truly sets the Little Green apart is its convenience. With a 15-foot power cord and 4-foot hose, it offers impressive reach, allowing you to clean without having to move it constantly. The machine also comes with a solution specifically designed to boost cleaning performance, leaving your home smelling fresh with every use. The Little Green's versatility makes it a valuable addition to any household. Whether you're handling pet accidents or everyday spills, this cleaner ensures your carpets and upholstery are spotless in no time. With its efficient, user-friendly design, the BISSELL Little Green proves to be a reliable, hassle-free option for deep cleaning at home or on the go. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner offers powerful performance in a compact design, making it an excellent choice for pet owners and those in need of a reliable spot cleaner. With 2x suction power, this portable machine deep cleans tough pet stains and odors, ensuring professional-grade results. The included handheld dual-action pet tool features rubberized bristles that efficiently remove pet hair and stubborn stains, perfect for tackling everything from urine accidents to embedded dirt. This model is designed for portability, featuring a lightweight build with easy-to-maneuver wheels and a retractable handle. Its dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring hygienic cleaning with every use. The cleaner is versatile enough for carpets, upholstery, stairs, mattresses, and even car interiors, making it a go-to tool for all types of messes. Though it's highly praised for its effectiveness and convenience, some users have noted that the suction could be even stronger. However, the overall performance, including its ability to handle tough pet-related messes, makes it a standout in its category. For anyone in need of a compact yet powerful solution for pet stains and odors, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a worthwhile investment, offering ease of use and professional results. TINECO Carpet Cleaner. The TINECO Smart Carpet Cleaner redefines convenience and performance with a mix of innovative technology and powerful features. Its 130-watt suction delivers deep carpet cleaning, effectively extracting dirt and water residue for a spotless finish. The standout feature is its flash-dry self-cleaning system, which cleans the brush roller and cover at the push of a button and uses heated air to dry the brush, ensuring quick, hassle-free maintenance. Equipped with iLoop smart sensors, the Carpet One Cruiser adjusts water flow and suction power based on the carpet's dirtiness, optimizing cleaning for every type of mess. The 167-degree Fahrenheit Power Dry technology speeds up the drying process, allowing you to get back on your carpets faster. Its design makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, while the stain remover tool helps tackle hard-to-reach areas. While it's a premium option, the Carpet One Cruiser's combination of powerful suction, self-cleaning functionality, and smart technology makes it an excellent choice for those seeking efficiency and high-performance carpet cleaning. Whether you're dealing with deep stains or everyday messes, this cleaner delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. Its ease of use and cleaning capabilities make it a worthy investment for any home.